What? For MBBS abroad, you can get a free flight ticket for a university which has 80.33 passing rate in FMG this year, and a training program which helps you crack FMG, USMLE, PLAB, and so many more exams. Plus a consultancy offering you zero consultation fees. इतनी सारी facilities मिल कहाँ रही है? Hello future doctors, this side Saundarya, a final year MBBS student. And if you have been watching my videos, I am reviewing some of the best colleges for MBBS abroad, so that you can choose only the best one out there. And here I am again, एक और option के साथ which is equally good. Georgia, which is famous for its history, culture, landscapes and wines. Georgians are known for their warm hospitality and friendliness. Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia and its most popular tourist city. Locals are generally helpful and welcoming to tourists, which enhances the overall feeling safety in this country. And yes, in this capital city lies a top-ranked university which is top choice among international students. So today we will talk about Georgian American University. It was established in the year 2001, so it's around 24 years old institution in the capital city of Georgia. Location in this capital city provides you with many advantages which I'll cover in few minutes. GAU is accredited by NMC, WHO, NCEQ and Ministry of Education and Science of Georgia. एक ऐसा benefit जो जॉर्जिया के किसी और कॉलेज में नहीं है. GAU provides premium training program to Indian students. Along with their normal classes, they will be provided with this premium platform. It is this one key feature of this college which makes it a top choice among students. Mark my words, after entering into a medical college, especially in abroad, you will feel so lost, will need guidance, will need right resources and books. And that's when this premium training program will be your savior right from the first year itself. In this program, you can get access to video lectures of all subjects curated by renowned lecturers. But what if your goal is not FMG? The best part, this program helps you clear any exam, including USMLE and PLAB. About infrastructure, GAU has renovated classrooms with centralized AC and heater. An anatomy table provides you access to medical stimulators, labs. Apart from these, you also have facilities for gyms and cafes. Teacher and faculty. The faculty at GAU for medical students consist of experienced and qualified professionals. The professors have international qualifications and are actively involved in both teaching and research. Library at GAU has all the essential books as per medical student requirement. Hospital की बात करें तो they have their own and affiliated hospital. GAU has its own hospital along with many collaborating hospitals, which ensures you get good practical exposure, which makes sure you get the hands-on experience with actual patients. And from second year itself, your clinical practice begins. Course duration is 5+1 with internship. Medium of teaching is English for 6 years. Georgian American University welcomes students and conducts freshers party every year. GAU has cultural events for all Indian students like Holi and Diwali also. The graduation day is conducted like a big event, so as many students are gratuity every year with Smile. College fees is 2 lakh per semester. Hostel fees is 2 lakh per year along with food. For 6-year MBBS, it will cost you around 35 to 40 lakhs. About hostels, GAU has its private, well-furnished hostels separate for girls and boys. Safety for girls is further increased with 24 hours CCTV surveillance. इतना ही नहीं, you can get laundry, cleaning services, unlimited Wi-Fi and lot more. Both veg and non-veg Indian food यहाँ मिल जाएगा. And guess what? 3,188 Indian students have already been graduated from this university, making a record of 80% above passing FMG rate. This was able to achieve due to students' hard work and a premium training, which I mentioned earlier. And the best part, their degree is valid in UK, US and Europe. Criteria and admission. NEET should be qualified. PCB should be around 50%. English entrance exam should be given. And basic interview related to introduction and biology should be given by a student. Now let's talk about how to reach your dream college. A direct flight from India to Tbilisi, which is around 4 hours and 30 minutes only. And from Tbilisi airport, GAU is 30 minutes away. अब बात करते हैं the most exciting offer की. Just for my viewers, you can get your first flight ticket to Tbilisi free. Plus, you don't have to pay consultation fees. But Saundarya, how to avail this offer? नीचे description में मैंने एक link attach किया है. Just fill it. And select your university will give you first free flight ticket to Georgia. So hurry up. For further process, you should always opt for trusted agencies. I will recommend you select your university because they help you with all the services from beginning to end for full 6 years. Looks like I have covered all the important points for GAU. But फिर भी अगर आपको कोई doubt हो, so please don't hesitate to reach out select your university either through their website or through a call. I'll mention their details in the comment section and I'll pin it. Thank you so much for watching my video. अगर ऐसे ही दूसरे colleges के reviews आपको जानने हैं, so please subscribe to my channel and select your university channel. You'll get plenty of them. So तब तक के लिए bye and stay tuned.